Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to reverse each word in a linked list node. So, the problem statement says we have given a linked list of strings. We need to reverse each word of the string in the given linked list. Let's see some examples first. In the first example, we have given a linked list Geeks for Geeks A computer science portal for geeks. After reversing, we can see in the output every string is being reversed, like for is reversed to ROF, and similarly for other words. Similarly, in second example, we have linked list publish your own articles on Geeks for Geeks. After reversing every string, we get output as shown. Now, let's see the algorithm to solve this problem. Start iterating the linked list. During iteration, take a string from each node and reverse the string. Repeat these steps until full linked list is traversed. Let's now see its C++ implementation and understand it using an example. So we have given a linked list, publish your own articles on Geeks for Geeks. We have to reverse each word in this linked list. So in the function reverse, we declare a node pointer ptr and initialize ptr with head of the linked list. ptr is used to traverse the linked list. So initially ptr will point on first node, which is publish. We then traverse the linked list. Since ptr is not null, we call reverse word function and pass data of ptr node. In function reverse word, publish is passed as string, and inside this function an inbuilt reverse function is used to reverse the string. Please note that don't confuse with this reverse function and this reverse function, since both are different. So after this, first string will be reversed and we move ptr to next node. Since ptr is not null, we reverse this word and move ptr to next node. We reverse ptr node data and move on to next node. Similarly, we reverse each word. So word articles is reversed. Next, on is reversed. And finally, last node data Geeks for Geeks is reversed. And we stop the traversal since we have traversed whole linked list. So modified linked list contains reverse of each word as that in original linked list. Time complexity of this algorithm will be O n into m, where n is the number of nodes in the linked list and m is the length of string present in linked list, or we can say m is the length of largest string present in linked list. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.